treat an 18-year-old girl like this in broad daylight has led some people to speculate that maybe we should be checking on the welfare of his wife and kids. Anyway, we all know that Shady Schimmel got the axe, and the police department and the town council shut down their faith, choose to target complete evidence of exactly what I'm talking about. That's Schimmel right there. There's an incident that occurred back when Schimmel worked for the Monrovia Police Agency from April 2023 to July 2023. During this figure-8 stock car race, these two drivers collided. Neither of them seemed happy about it and looked like they exchanged some pretty colorful words and may have even come to blows if our hero Brian Schimmel didn't arrive on the scene and inject some swift, well, I was going to say justice, but it's more like clownish behavior. Let's roll the tape.
Fuck it, that cop's trying to do.
Shady Schimmel was trying his hardest to get that guy on the ground, but he just wouldn't cooperate. It was almost like a Keystone Cop skit. I personally had no idea that you could be confronted by the cops on a racetrack during an active race. Let's look at a side-by-side comparison, shall we? On the right, we have Officer Schimmel encountering almost no resistance as he brings down his much weaker and more compliant prey. While on the left, we have the same shifty Schimmel, giving it all he's got to employ all those slick offensive moves he learned in the academy. The same academy that the town council claimed taught him how to extract teenage girls from vehicles at traffic stops. Yeah, he's got no problem beating up on little girls, but when Shimmery Schimmel encountered the more formidable